Have you ever wondered what exactly is going on inside those wriggly creatures we call earthworms? Well, these fascinating beings are far more than mere dirt eaters. Their biology is a complex tapestry, woven with intricacies that play a larger role in our ecosystem than one might initially perceive. They're not just digesting soil, they're transforming it, recycling nutrients, and even encouraging plant growth. So, let's dive in, because earthworms are not as simple as they seem, so stick around to explore their incredible biology. Did you know that an earthworm's body is essentially a long tube, segmented into hundreds of tiny rings? This simple invertebrate creature is more complex than it appears. Each segment contains a wealth of vital organs, packed neatly into a body devoid of bones or lungs. The earthworm's journey through life begins and ends at two distinctive points: the mouth and the anus. These mark the start and end of a highly efficient digestive system that allows the worm to extract nutrients from the soil it ingests. But how does an earthworm breathe without lungs, you might ask? The answer lies in its moist skin. This skin, always kept damp by mucus, allows for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide directly with the environment. What about movement? The earthworm's strong, muscular body contracts and expands, facilitating the wriggling motion we're all familiar with. Their unique anatomy allows them to thrive in soil, playing an essential role in the ecosystem. Earthworms eat their way through soil, but have you considered how they digest all that dirt? The process is fascinating. Starting at the mouth, soil enters into the earthworm's gut, a tube running the length of its body. Next, the soil journeys to the pharynx, a muscular organ that pumps the soil deeper into the digestive tract. Then it's off to the esophagus, where calcium carbonate secreted neutralizes the acidic soil, preparing it for digestion. The soil's next stop is the gizzard, a powerful organ that grinds the soil into smaller particles, much like a millstone. This grinding action is crucial as it breaks down tough plant materials and organic matter in the soil. Finally, the soil moves into the intestine, where microbial action and digestive enzymes extract nutrients. The remaining undigested material is then excreted through the anus as nutrient-rich casts, infusing the soil with fertility. Their digestive system not only sustains them, but it also plays a critical role in the environment. You might be surprised to know that every earthworm you see can reproduce. How is that possible? Well, the answer lies in their hermaphroditic nature. That's right, each earthworm is equipped with both male and female reproductive organs. This means any two earthworms can come together to mate. During this fascinating process, they align their bodies in opposite directions, exchanging sperm. After this, each earthworm forms a cocoon-like structure at its head end, known as a clitellum. This structure then moves along the body, picking up eggs and stored sperm, before being deposited in the soil. Not only are earthworms extraordinary reproducers, but they're also surprisingly long-lived. Despite their seemingly vulnerable nature, they can live up to 6 years in the wild. That's quite impressive for a creature that spends its life beneath our feet. So, the humble earthworm, overlooked by many, is a marvel of biology, contributing to the health of our planet in numerous ways. So, are earthworms just wriggly creatures that crawl in the dirt? Far from it. These unseen heroes boast a unique anatomy, tailored for a subterranean lifestyle. Their intricate digestive system transforms soil into nutrient-rich castings, making earthworms nature's finest recyclers. Their fascinating reproduction process keeps the earthworm population thriving, while their lifespans remind us of the constant cycle of life and death. But most importantly, their significant ecological role sustains the health of our precious ecosystem. Next time you come across an earthworm, remember, you're looking at a tiny but mighty hero of our ecosystem.